Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Phonepe and a UPI ready number. Now open Phonepe and sign in. Tap the profile icon on the top left, then choose UPI and bank account to confirm linked bank details. Once done, tap the UPI circle or Create Circle option. This initiates a shared payment group. You're starting the setup immediately so you can add contacts, set contribution amounts, and pick a purpose. Make sure your app shows your primary bank and VPA before proceeding. You now add participants. Tap Add Members, choose from Phonepe contacts or paste UPI ID and confirm each entry. Next, set the contribution type, one-time or recurring, and enter exact amounts and deadlines. This defines how collection works. Once members are added, assign an admin who can collect or remind. You can also configure visibility so amounts are private or public. Make sure to preview the circle summary before creating it to avoid mistakes. Finish by reviewing the circle summary and tapping Create. Phonepe sends invites to members who must accept and complete their first payment to activate the circle. Once active, you can view contributions, send reminders, and withdraw or settle as per rules. If someone's payment fails, ask them to verify UPI PIN, check bank transfer limits, and switch networks. Often that fixes it. If issues persist, ask members to update the app and relink the bank. That resolves most stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.